Come here, you're gonna get an update. Dude, right here. I just need to go down. What looks like I'm doing your update like this? Hey everybody, welcome to the crazy life of the Connells.
Here.
Yeah, that's Mommy's hair. I'm actually just trying, this is Abby's update. I'm just trying to get my hair all situated because last video my hair didn't look that good because it's in that funky stage where it's growing, but it's like stuck in that one part and it looks so ugly. And my hair just wants to snap. So, you know what? I'm just gonna... oh my god. I'm that kind of person now. Okay, so... Okay. Shall we get started on Abby's update? Yes, we should, huh?
There you go.
Come here. No, give me those. So, come here.
Mine.
No, those aren't just yours. They're everybody's. We're fighting over... Babe. No! You choked last time. No. Don't tell me no. You guys haven't noticed she's in her terrible twos. Huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Abby's gonna sit up here while she does her update, right? How old are you?
I
No, how old are you?
am.
How old are you?
I am.
You're 2. Yep. Now, can you say your ABCs yet?
In the kid.
Oh, not yet. Not all of them, right?
Yeah, I don't know all day.
Okay. So, we're teaching her ABCs. We're teaching her ABCs. Shh. Mommy's... Okay, she sees herself, so sorry. Okay, so we're trying to teach her A, B, C, D, E, F, G. She's very ticklish. Very ticklish. Go like this. Kiko. Say, Mom.
Ma.
She gets me and her daddy.
Mama. Ma.
Okay, I don't think they want to. Mommy's trying to do your update. She's like, mouth.
Mouth.
Oh my god.
Ma.
Okay, so can you say hi, everybody? Okay. Look it. What is that? The kitty? You see the kitty's butt? Oh my gosh. Okay, so she has not ever said like butt. Like his butt is at his. Oh, look at his head. Right. Right here. Look it. There's your ass. Okay, child. I don't. Okay, go play. Mommy needs to talk. You can't keep doing that. Nope, she still wants to do it. How old are you? never done this, so I have no idea. Hey, you gotta breathe. Oh. Okay, so please, if you already haven't, turn down your speaker. I'm going deaf. The cat thinks she's having like a heart attack or something. Can you say hi, Ross? Oh, you'll do that. Look at the kitty. Can you say kitty? Be nice. She knows how to pet the cat. Okay, so I'm probably going to have to redo this video, but I have to upload this because this is too funny. No, you have to get down. I can't do this video if you're going to... Are you done? Honey, are you done? Yeah. Finally. So I'm probably going to upload this. She's looking at herself and she's doing this. So, you guys, I'm so sorry. Please turn down. Say please, like. Say please. Say please. Say please.
Please.
Like.
What?
And subscribe. Say welcome to our crazy family. Say welcome. Say welcome
Welcome.
to ow. You guys, I don't know what she's doing. No, that's not. Mommy's got videos to do. Are you done now? Are you done now? Yeah. Hey, everybody.
Bye.
Oh.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
What?
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye. What's your favorite movie?
Bye. 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 Bye.
It's real.
Mira.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite movie that you watch and you see? Guys, this is my child. This is my child. Hey, you don't act like this on a normal daily basis.
Oh no. No!
No! Get off. Ross, get off. Get off. Holy Jesus. All I'm trying to do is record a video. I already have a 2-year-old on here. I don't need a cat also. Are you done? Okay, say bye, everybody.
Bye.